Do you hold USDT in your SafePal wallet and want to transfer it to your Binance account? Here's a secure, step-by-step guide to help you do just that. Step 1. Open your SafePal wallet app. Make sure you're logged in or have restored your wallet using your seed phrase. Next, locate USDT in your wallet and tap on it. Then select the Send option. Now log into your Binance account, go to Wallet, then select Deposit. Search for USDT and choose your preferred network, TRC20, ERC20, or BEP20. Be sure to select the same network that your USDT is on in SafePal. Copy the deposit address provided by Binance. Return to SafePal and paste the Binance address. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send, confirm the network, and complete the transfer. You can track your transaction status using the Blockchain Explorer, or just wait a few minutes for the funds to appear in Binance. Always double-check wallet addresses, confirm the network, and never share your seed phrase with anyone. Before you go, if you're serious about mastering crypto and taking your skills to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the book I've linked below. It's packed with practical strategies, real-world case studies, and expert insights. And here's the best part. When you use my special link in the description, you'll get an exclusive 10% discount just for being part of this channel. Invest in your knowledge today, and your crypto journey will thank you tomorrow. Crypto Mastery. Learn, trade, earn. Use my link below for 10% off limited time. Stay secure and keep learning.